In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rectangles in Google Slides. Whether you're looking to enhance your presentation or simply trying to emphasize certain information, adding shapes like rectangles is not only useful, but can significantly boost the clarity of your slides. Let's dive right into it. First, open up Google Slides and navigate to the presentation you want to work on. You can do this by going to insert the name of the website or platform you are accessing it through, and selecting your desired presentation from the available list. It's always a good idea to keep all your work well organized, so whether you're opening a new project or revisiting an existing one, ensuring it's easily accessible will save you a good amount of time. Once you have your presentation open, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the screen. Look for a small icon that represents shapes. It's typically a small circle or square icon. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with various shape options. Now, select the rectangle shape from the list. You'll find that Google provides a nifty array of basic geometric shapes, but for this demonstration, we're sticking to rectangles. With your rectangle selected, click on the slide where you want your rectangle to appear. You'll notice that you can customize the size of your rectangle by clicking and dragging the cursor across your slide. This allows you to create the perfect size rectangle for your needs. After placing your rectangle, it's time to customize further. Notice the formatting options at the top of the screen. These options will enable you to change the fill color, and border weight of your rectangle. By using sharp contrasting colors, your rectangle can stand out and make content more noticeable. Remember, consistency in colors throughout your presentation can provide a more professional look and feel. Now, if you need to move your rectangle, simply click and drag it to your desired position on the slide. You have complete freedom to adjust its location until it perfectly aligns with your content. Snap-to-grid features in Google Slides may help you position them symmetrically, which is a handy way to keep your slides visually appealing. With your rectangle perfectly placed and styled to your liking, you might want to add text inside it. Simply double-click within the rectangle and begin typing. Whether it's a key point from your presentation or just a label, adding text can turn a simple rectangle into a powerful communicative tool. So there you have it, a seamless way to add rectangles to your Google Slides presentation. This feature, though seemingly simple, provides a versatile tool for enhancing your presentation's design and effectiveness. With these steps in your toolkit, you can now create more structured and visually engaging presentations. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.